Hi, today I'm gonna replace the starter on SC387 behind me. The original from 1984 is struggling, and I have a new type of reduction gear starter here that I'm gonna put in. It is similar to the Senator B starter, which is a reduction gear also, and the Senator B starters that easily start a 3.0 and 3.9 have 1.1 kilowatt. The new ones I have now have 1.4 kilowatt, so it should be not a problem at all. And I'm also gonna show you the size and weight difference between the two. Here you can see the two starters side by side. On the left the original Bosch starter, and on the right the reduction gear starter. And the weight difference is quite dramatic. The one on the left is 7 kilo, that should be 15.4 pounds, and the one on the right is 3.6 kilo, so that should be 7.6 pounds. So basically almost 16 pounds on the left and under 8 pounds on the right. So as I said, the new unit has 1.4 kilowatt, and the one on the left is pulls 150 amps as I measured when the car was starting, so that would bring it with 12 volts to about 1.8 kilowatt. But once again, the smaller one has a reduction gear, so it does need less power. So this is going to be the first start with a new starter, and also a second cold start attempt with my repaired auxiliary air valve.